delicious, healthy drink if you are looking for something sweet to drink. Let's see how. أول اشتغل كيف okay, a little bit more. One Nescafe inside. You might add a little bit more over here, and end on the oven. And now it's time to taste. Super yummy. Literally, I'm dead. I didn't expect that. You have to try and tell us. Really so delicious. Just after 1 minute, I didn't expect that at all. For people who doesn't like coffee, the coffee is somehow masked with the chocolate, or let's say they intermingle it together in a very nice way. And the peanut butter addition، قهوة مع الشوكولاتة مع البينات باتر، عاملة خليط spectacular.